Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. After musician Holly 10 went viral on social media, slamming the ZANU-PF party, particularly Mnangagwa's two twin sons, here's addressed the nation. Here's what he said.
Hello, Salibonani. It's the leader of the youth, Holly 10 Mukudze. I'm back. I want to address the people because I am the leader of the youth. Right, so I've been talking a lot, right? So I want to address everything that I've been doing because I've seen a lot of narratives that are now being pushed, and now it's time to be serious. Panaba Paspa Life. So the first thing is I've been pushing this word, Vagudara. The reason why some of us have supported the ZANU-PF and the president, even Mujitawa Nashtaras Nabasa, is because the ZANU-PF is not a terrorist organization. Everyone, there are people that even accuse us of doing things that they have never been done before. So I decided to take it upon myself to do something that can show you that no one is going to kill you, no one is going to torture you, no one is going to come and beat you, burn you, whatever, like what they say on their Twitters and everything. You've heard them speaking. But what I can then acknowledge is that I did it the wrong way. I did it the wrong way. It was the wrong way of provoking. I felt under the influence of alcohol that the highest provocation, that's something that you would expect, that you don't cross that line. But then that was my decision, wrong decision. Those are my brothers from the jump here. Those are my brothers. Never lie to anyone. Everyone knows that those are my brothers and we're family. So I want to take this time to apologize to my brothers, Sean and Collins, when I was trying to prove to them that the country is a safe place. I shouldn't have gone for your names, and I was a bit drunk. I was drinking, I was excited, my life and everything like that. There's also another step that I've decided to take. Since I'm here acknowledging that now it was also alcohol that was now in the mix. And as someone that has been speaking against my drugs, as the leader of the Youth Speak of the Truth, I've decided to go and check myself into a rehabilitation center. Because number one, it's not the first time that I've come here saying I've done this because of alcohol. So now we need to fix that alcohol stuff. Number two, I've been trying to help others against alcoholism. So this will also set an example for the youth that this is the way that you deal with these problems. This is the way, because the president has acknowledged that the drug problem, alcohol problem, substances problem is an actual problem in our country. So I've decided to take it upon myself to go to a facility, a rehab, one of the best in the world, one of the best, to show the youth, because the youth are watching, this is the way to get help if this is your problem. The rest of the narratives that are being moved, as you can see for yourself, I'm alive. You can see for yourself, I'm safe. You can see for yourself, I'm wearing a ring, that I'm still married. You can see for yourself. You know what the people have been saying. I am married, I am safe, and everything is fine. The title deeds have my name there. So don't worry about people talking about narratives. There are people that will take this time and try to use this advantage to push their own narratives. I'm not part of them. I'm not from the opposition. It's ZANU-PF.